So we have first the Excellence Early Career Award that this year was won by Professor Tamar Sigal-Peretz from Technion, who also had the presentation. Irrespective, the two processes were totally uncorrelated, but she ended up with the presentation on one of the sessions today. We have the Excellence Award for Surface Science of Dr. Hagit Aviv of Bar Ilan, working with Professor Tischler, and for all the work that she has done on surface science. For the award for outstanding female scientist sponsored by Intel, we have to congratulate Dina Rosenberg from Tel Aviv University, who got the prize. And finally, on the Excellence Award for Technical Skills, Itamar Padel from Bar Ilan, who I know personally does an amazing job. By the way, one thing I want to say, as the IVS president, I have no say whatsoever on any of those kind of so there are committees. I just helped in setting the committees, and the committees decide what they want. And then I saw what the results are. So in this case, I can congratulate Itamar, who is in the same institution. I've worked with him. He helped me out in a few times on different projects. And now I wanted to show you about the posters. So let me open this one. So hold on a second, I have to share. Okay, we have two prizes. We have the poster prizes, and there are three prizes here. The first one is given by Intel, and this is for Ramesh Nandi of Technion, who gave a poster on the soft and biological matter session. And then we have at ex aequo second position, and those prizes are given by IVS, Debo Priya Datta from Technion and Itamar Cohen from Tel Aviv University. So congratulations for your prizes. And last prize is the Samuel Goldschmidt, student prize. Professor Goldschmidt received his PhD from Hebrew U and did most of his career in Tel Aviv in the physics department. And he was an expert in atomic physics and plasma. And he co-started the interdepartmental electric discharge and plasma lab with Professor Boxman, who was a session chair in this conference. And he was one of the founders of IPSTA, the IVS. This is the IVS-IPSTA conference. So he was a founder, and the winner is Young Kao from Technion. So at this point, I want just to thank everybody before we start the final session on the schedule that you don't have to stay. It's the IVS General Assembly who wants to stay. I want to thank everybody for joining this conference. Thanks again for everybody who has put their volunteer effort, session chairs, evaluators, working committee, the team. Chaim, amazing. Chaim worked way beyond the beyond. Sidney Cohen, Tatiana Bendikov, Sharon Weichman, and vechule. A lot of people put a lot of hours. We try to do the best. As I said before, we organized two conferences this time. One was on site, and then we had to cancel, and then we had to do the same job again for the online. I hope that next year we're going to do only one job, which is for the on-site, because I would like to meet all of you hopefully next year. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you for supporting IVS, and hopefully see you even sooner, because we are not stopping here. IVS, if you have noticed, we are trying to do different activities. We started last year, and we want to recontinue the topic, big topics from top scientists, which is basically a presentation from one top scientist from all over the world. And as Doron Orbach said this morning, the one thing of Zoom that is amazing is you can bring amazing speakers. One of them that we promised to bring is Professor Chui, that unfortunately, I don't know what happened, could not come this morning. And we plan also on starting potentially other series, for example, on vital skills for research or other things like this. So thank you very much, and toda rabah. Thank you.